How to download Soundation app on PC. First of all, open your web browser and go to www.soundation.com. This is the official website where Soundation offers its web-based music studio. Soundation doesn't have a dedicated PC app, but you can still use it like an app by installing it as a web app on your computer. If you are using Edge, look at the three-dot icon at the top right corner, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, click on Apps, then select Install this site as an app. You will get a prompt asking if you want to install Soundation on your device. Hit Install and it will add the Soundation web app directly to your desktop or Start menu, just like a regular app. After installation, you can open Soundation from your PC without needing the browser every time. It works smoothly and all your music projects can be accessed as long as you are logged into your account. It's a perfect solution if you want a dedicated workspace for your music production without distractions from browser tabs. And that's it. Now you know how to download Soundation app on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.